I'm using this free plugin on literally every website I'm creating using WordPress and the block editor. It is called Block Visibility, is 100% free, and it allows you to show or hide content based on advanced conditions. You can simply hide blocks for every users, which is an essential utility for hiding content on published pages while you are creating it. Then you can decide to display or hide content based on the screen size or based on user roles, which is great if you're creating an LMS, membership website, or even an e-commerce. And then you can choose to display content based on the specific date and times if you want to display some specific call to actions during promotions, Black Friday, and so on. Location will display the content based on where a block is located on your website. You can build visibility presets to manage the visibility of multiple blocks at once, and you can use many other advanced features, and all this for free. Not to mention the fact that this beautiful plugin integrates perfectly with WooCommerce, advanced custom fields, and many other plugins. The WooCommerce integration is particularly helpful if you're running an e-commerce because you can customize the overall user experience of your clients. For example, you can choose to display a call to action with a coupon dedicated to the customers that have spent more than, let's say, $500 on your store. Finally, keep in mind that this great plugin works with any WordPress block plugin. This includes blocks natively provided by WordPress, third-party blocks, and even block-based widgets. And now, before diving deeper into the block visibility plugin, let me dedicate a few seconds about the sponsor of today's video. Thanks to Independent Analytics for sponsoring this video. I must say that this is my favorite analytics plugin. It is simple to use with a user-friendly and beautiful dashboard where you can easily keep track of what's going on your website. You can monitor your top pages and posts, traffic sources, geographic data, device types, and dozens of other features. And if you want more, there is a pro version that will let you track e-commerce data. You can even track form submissions. You can have real-time analytics, track your campaigns analytics, and get premium analytics reports via email. At the moment, you can grab the pro version with an early bird discount, and there is also a lifetime option. So if you want to have a beautiful, simple to use and effective analytics plugin on your WordPress website, just go and check out Independent Analytics. I will leave you the links in the description and in the comments below. Okay, so now we are ready to dive deeper into block visibility. Let's discover together this powerful and free plugin. If you want to test this plugin, I'll leave you the link in the description below, and you can simply find it in the WordPress plugin directory. From here, you can go and click on Live Preview, and this will create for you a free installation of WordPress where you can play around and test things out. As you will see, the plugin will be already installed, and there will be a page like this one showing some simple use cases. For example, this block here is hidden on the front end. This one, the second one, is only visible to logged in users, so I will see it because I'm logged in now if I go on the front end. And this one is only visible Saturday and Sunday on the front end. Since I'm not on the weekend now, I won't see this block. So let's go on the front end, and this is the only block I'm seeing. Easy as that. So let's make a real life example. Let's say that I have an offer that I want to promote on my e-commerce just for a limited time, and let's say just for this week. I'll go inside the page, I'll create my call to action, and let's say that this is my call to action here. I've created using a group, a standard Gutenberg block, but keep in mind also that you can use all the block visibility settings even if you're using third-party Gutenberg blocks like Spectra or Stackable or Cadence and so on. So now, in order to have my feature here, I need to go to my dashboard, to plugins, add new plugin, and I will search for block visibility. Is the first one. It has 20,000 active installations and many positive reviews. Developed by Nick Diego, which is an active WordPress developer and contributor. Let's go here and install. We can then activate the plugin. Okay. If you want, you can also enable the auto updates option. And then let's go back to our page. We save and reload the page, and we will see that when we select the block, we will have new settings. So here, this is the group block, and I will go here scrolling down, and this is the new setting, which is called visibility. Let's open this visibility setting. And as you can see here, we have many different kind of controls that we can apply to this block in order to choose how, when, and to who show this block. In this case, I want multiple things to apply to this block. The first one is based on date and time. So I select this one. I can go and rename this schedule here and call it, for example, limited time offer. And then I can go down here and choose when I want to apply this visibility condition. So in my example, will be starting from now to the end of the week. I can also choose to make it seasonal. I can hide it when this schedules apply, but in my case, I want to show it when the schedules apply. So let's save changes. And when I go to the front end, I will see now this call to action. And so at the end of the week, when this offer will be over, this block will be automatically hidden. Let's say now that I want to show this special offer banner only to the logged out users. I just need to go here on the visibility, and I will add a different condition, which will be based on users. So I go on user role, okay, and scrolling down here, I will just select the logged out users. Okay, so let's save it. We'll go and visit our website, and as you can see here, the banner has disappeared. While if I go outside, if I log out the website and I go back to the website, I'll see it again. Perfect. Beside all the controls that you have when you're using Block Visibility plugin, you also have some custom integrations. For example, in this case, using WooCommerce, I can decide to display some content in the cart page based on the products that are in the cart. I can do the same with the checkout page. I can also choose to display some content on product pages based on some conditions and so on. But a very important feature here is the visibility preset. If you go up here in the upper right side in the three dots and you scroll down, you see Block Visibility presets. You can open this, and here you can create some powerful group of rules that you can apply to all the blocks or group of blocks that you need to hide or display based on these rules. For example, I can create a preset which will be applied to all the blocks that I want to show only to logged out users. And then I go here in the control set, I will add the user role condition, and then I will apply the logged out. So this kind of blocks will be visible only to logged out users. And if I want, I can also mix and match different control sets to achieve my specific need. In my case, I will keep it simple and use this preset only to target logged out users. So when I update and I close here, if I go back now to my block, let's say that I want to add a banner visible only to logged out users. I'll go here and create it. And I want now to show this only to logged out users. Instead of applying manually all the controls from these settings, I can go just here to the visibility presets, and I can go and select my logged out users. So I will be sure that this kind of content will be shown only if the user is not logged into the website. Let's go and see it. As you can see now, I'm logged in, so I do not see that kind of call to action. But if I log out, there it is. I see my call to action. These are just a few examples, and you can achieve many advanced configurations if you want to show or hide content on your website based on specific rules. This, of course, is very important if you are building an e-commerce website or a membership website or an LMS and so on. Let me know what you think about this plugin in the comment section below, and if you will install it on your website or if you already knew it. If you like this video, as always, please give me a thumbs up. My name is Pascal. I'm the creator of WP Roads, the YouTube channel where I share with you news, tutorials and reviews about WordPress. And I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Ciao, ciao!